Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday lashed out at the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, speaking at a public meeting on behalf of the BJP alliance during the Punjab Assembly elections. He accused the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party of being complicit in the crimes. He said the two parties were pretending to be as competitive as in the WWF. He said the Aam Aadmi Party was just a xerox copy of the Congress. He said the Congress had brought drugs to Punjab and was trying to immerse the youth of Delhi in the midst of the Aam Aadmi Party. He said that Congress had insulted Punjab. He recalled that the Congress leaders had questioned the bravery and capabilities of our soldiers in the aftermath of the terrorist attack in Pathankot. The reputations of immortal heroes are being damaged. They are also questioning the bravery of our soldiers during the terrorist attack on a military vehicle in Pulwama. He said the BJP government had pushed the culprits behind the 1984 attacks on Sikhs behind bars. Kartarpur Sahib questioned the role of the Congress in meeting in Pakistan during the partition of the country in 1947. He said that even during the 1965 war, the Congress did not try to take it back. He said that 90,000 Pakistani soldiers had been released by India during the 1971 war, and that the release of the Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara should be conditional on their release to India. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.